Today's teacher in the classroom is Paula Childers from Alimtox. It is a foot cleansing. No, it's not. It is a cellular detox using a foot cleanse. She goes into all the details that I did not know I didn't know. Have you gone there? Have you gone to those foot detox? You see all the sludge, just grime and all that stuff, and they say, oh, that came out of your body. You just detoxified that. No, no, no. That's 5% of what's happening. And that's a response. It's not that things are coming out of you. Yeah, some of it is coming out, but most of it is in your body at a cellular level. That detoxification is at a cellular level. I want to encourage you to check out today's conversation. It's unbelievable. Also, this is one of the pads that she shared with us, and these are the different colors that come out in the detox process, not out of you, but out of the detox process. That's happening at a cellular level so that your lymphatic system could either perspire, pee it, or poop it afterwards. Yeah, I said poop. Okay, I'm very cool that way. So I want you to check out the conversation. Go to whenyouneedafriend.com. And when you go there, please subscribe to the website. And also, it's a two-step process, so make sure that you look for that that email. It could, if you don't get it right away, it could be in your junk mail or your, some spam box or whatever that you have. So check it out, then opt in. Once you opt in, then you get my weekly blog once a week, and then twice a week. Whenever there's a new class, then it sends you the audio to listen at your own convenience. If you don't want that sent to you, then you just put it in your preferences. But it's so important that we all continue to grow together. We don't know what we don't know. And how do you know you don't know it until you learn it, right? So today we learned about these foot detoxes and what they're really telling us, how it can change the whole component of our body, our whole cellular structure by using this, and it's speaking back to us and kind of like shaking us up in so many different ways so that all the bacteria, the chemicals, all the stuff that it's in our body gets shaken out and out of us one way or another. You ready to learn? Then go, let's continue to learn together at whenyouneedafriend.com. And please remember, I'll be right here waiting for you worldwide. This is Lily McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah.